Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2018 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter CVT engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a nice tow hitch, rear park sensing, that nice Platinum logo, backup camera, roof spoiler. We do have roof rails as well, mud flaps on the rear, as well as on the front, heated door mirrors, turn light indicator mirrors, you got a side view camera right there. And moving to the front, we do have block heater, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Nissan grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can use on the key fob, as well as you do get remote start if it wants to, right there, and you can use the button up there or button on the driver's side, providing you with a fair bit of storage. You got little hooks to hold down your gear, 12 volt, that, and lifting this up, you do get more storage underneath with a Bose sound system, and you can collapse your row by just pulling on these strings right there. And back here you do get cup holders, leathered seating, and more cup holders on that side. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 7 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black perforated leathering, plenty of door space in the back. You can collapse your row by just folding this up for easy access to the back, which is all pretty nice, and you do get a fair bit of leg room for the back two passengers. And of course, if you don't need that extra person here, we do have 2 cup holders and a fair bit of space. We do have our own climate controls back here. You have heated seats, controls for your DVD player, 120 volt outlet, 2 USBs, and your DVD players are in the back of the headrest as well. And we do get a moonroof in the back as well as the front. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Nice Pathfinder logo, plenty of door space. We do got wood accents on the door, memory seating for up to 2 drivers, as well as we do have our heated steering wheel, liftgate, traction, blind spot. You can turn off and on your outlets from there, and tow mode just right there, and parking brakes just below. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 86,886 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap heated steering wheel. You have your cruise control settings there, as well as right there and there. We have our voice, phone, source, volume, and your toggle for your screen just right there, which you can then go through. Oh, that's my bad. Tire pressure, all that jazz. Sirius XM, compass, music, warnings, settings, and all that fun stuff. We do have our leather wrap gear shift, some wood paneling, four-wheel drive. We have our hill, cup holders, heated and cooled front seats with storage with 12 volt and 2 USBs. Nice leather wrap central console with upper and lower storage with your aux and 2 SD cards and a 12 volt. We got dual climate up front. You have your radio, disc, media, scan, all that usuals. Favorite station, CD, engine starts right there, hazards, all that fun jazz for your infotainment system. Storage below. We do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which does provide excellent lighting for the vehicle. Now looking at your main screen here, you do have a 360 view of your vehicle. You have your climate controls right here and down there, whatever you prefer. Your audio, there's that Sirius XM, any apps you may have downloaded. If it wants to load, we have garage, clock, compass, all that fun stuff. You have your map, navigation, status info, information, eco drive, traffic information, all that fun stuff, and settings about the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7747A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.